Mama said you a pretty girl. What's in your hair?
My mama ain't tell me that.
I know.
What you
You ain't
listen?
trying to freestyle though, nigga.
You said what?
You ain't trying to freestyle though, nigga. Hold on, I gotta catch the beat. All that talking shit, punch you in your fucking knee.
Whoa, whoa, getting horny, gotta be my meat. Yeah, getting.
Really, nigga?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Please don't start that. Please don't start that. I love Popo, but I kill a dead if I win a beat.
Are you? Why do I keep stuttering? Oh.
They helping on feet.
Contavious White.
Saying, oh my God, I'm finna change my name.
That nigga name
Bro, let me
Contavious.
go change my name.
That nigga name Contavious White.
Hell, bro. What the fuck?
Take dark dance.
Give me a hug, give me a hug, give me a hug, give me a hug, give me a hug.
What's up?
Hello?
I seen you on here before, bro. You be playing.
Shit. You ain't see us? You don't even fucking know us.
I do. Your ass. Oof. My fault. I've been stuttering a little bit.
Take your time.
Stuttering all the time, bro. All right, hold on. I seen y'all on here before. Both of y'all. You was on here singing, and you was just looking. You was you look guilty. For real. That's why you smiling. Unless you just laughing at my stuttering.
No, I'm not laughing at your stuttering, sweetheart. I'm laughing because, like, it sounds like some shit we would do, but it wasn't that.
Really, nigga?
Yeah. Alright. What if I showed you right now that it was y'all?
Please do. Please do.
Yeah,
You
I
want
want to see.
You want me to? Alright, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show y'all that it's y'all. Hey, why your voice so deep? We got y'all for sure. We got y'all.
Yeah, 600 shoes.
No, I said my $600 pair of shoes.
Bro, you're not finna say what's up.
What's up with the gang? My bad.
My fault. I be stuttering. You good? You good, bro?
Show a band real quick. At least one band. If you can't show a band, show $200.
Bro,
if you can show $100.
I don't come on here for that at all. Like, what are you talking about?
Well,
bro, are you making fun of my?
No.
Fuck, I'm stuttering, bro. This nigga traveling.
Yeah, he a bitch. My little dog off Section 8. I put some wick on it.
Shut up, bitch.
What song is that?
Rio the Young OG.
Who made that?
Rio the Young OG.
Oh, that Detroit nigga?
Yep.
Shut up, bitch.
I need an instrumental. Joe, shut up.
Yeah, what folks face at? What folks face at?
I'll smack in your lips, bitch.
I don't think you will. You're not even showing your face. Niggas ain't worried about you for real.
You better tell him niggas is from Chicago. Niggas will do him so dirty.
Yeah, niggas ain't worried about this nigga for real.
Yeah, I'll smack in your mouth. Shut up.
You think you was... You think you was smack me in my mouth for real? If you saw me?
Yes.
Where you from?
Ohio. And I don't mean shit, boy.
What is he doing? Whoa. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
What's funny?
Nothing much.
Are you laughing because I was stuttering?
Nah, bro.
I'm gonna say I got a little stuttering problem, bro. Your name is Cigarette, but it's like you high.
Like I'm high. Yeah, I'm high as fuck. I'm on acid.
So you get off acid, then you smoke cigarettes?
I was about to. I haven't smoked one in a while.
Whoa. I'm so tired of stuttering, bro.
We good, bro.
What is? Oh, I wasted my coffee.
Why caffeine? Why caffeine?
I mean, it's the only thing I have to drink right now.
I feel that.
It's not like a real reason. This nigga go.
Hey, what's up, G?
Ooh, fuck. What's up?
What? Hey, yo, what's up? How you doing?
I'm cool. How are you?
Hey, I'm straight.
That nigga gay.
You feel me?
Yeah, where you from?
I'm from goddamn Georgia.
You from
Where
Charlotte?
you from though?
You from Charlotte?
Hell no.
I'm sorry, I stutter. Yes, you are. I said
Hey,
Charlotte.
me too. No cap.
Shut your stupid.
You don't stutter. People
Yeah,
people from Georgia don't talk like that for real.
From Georgia.
No, you're not.
How you gonna tell me that?
Because I know you're not from Georgia. So stop acting like you're from Georgia, bro.
Really, nigga?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Please don't start that. Please don't start that. Let me take some. All my life I had to fight. I love Pablo, but I kill him dead if I let him be.
Why do I keep stuttering? Oh,
How you doing, sir?
I keep stuttering. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry you had to see all of that. Sometimes I just be, you know.
Who are you fighting? You said all your life you had to fight. Who are you fighting?
Yeah. All my life I had to fight. I'm fighting these demons.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, he's fine. For sure.
Hello?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I just asked what you're doing. Why are you trying to be confusing for it?
I'm trying to see why you're not showing your face.
Oh, cuz.
You must not be fine.
Nah. I'm okay. I'm light skinned, but it's.
So what that mean?
You also go around and lay down anyway. Don't have to get it perfect. That means that. Okay. For real.
She ain't talking about shit. We're not here to have a conversation, baby. I'm sorry. We're not here to talk. We're here to stutter.
Hey, yo, give you some motion, folks. If you don't got a Glock with a switch, don't talk to me, though, folks.
Where your face at? You're not trying to be federal.
Nigga, I'll show my face. Nigga, stop playing.
Show it then.
You gonna see a real shag on SD.
Show it then.
No. You trying to see my shag, nigga? You know what a shag is, nigga? You already know what's up, nigga. On SD, King Killer, nigga.
These white boys, they're crazy.
I put all of my trust and faith in you. Please let this be stronger for later. Be like a zombie because I got raised open conscious. Presentation is placing is nutrition seconds. And your dog staying on a bunch of painkillers. Wait a minute, fixing it. That's the shame. Common. So much medication is the devil's thinking to be.
What up, Kel? What's on, folks? You smack. My fault. I be stuttering. I be stuttering.
Yo, office.
Stay off the weed.
Oh, this is fried.
Really, nigga?
What?
Who are you?
What?
Who are you?
What?
Who are you?
Human.
A human. We're all human. Duh. Who are you?
Yeah.
Not what are you. Who are you?
Who are you? I am a human. I am a male.
Shut your stupid ass up, nigga. So dumb ass up, bro.
Mama said you a pretty girl. It's in your hair.
My mama ain't tell me that.
Bitch, I know.
That was a good one. I ain't gonna lie. I can't find that. That was a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one. Alright. Bitch ass nigga. That was a good one. I give you that. That was a good one. That was a good one.
That sounds you again, too. I bet I can make
What?
They helping on feet.
Contavious White.
Saying, oh my God, I'm finna change my name.
That nigga name
Let me go change my name.
That nigga name Contavious White.
Oh, hell.
Hey, yo, bro.
What the fuck?
Hey, yo, bro.
Whoa, what?
Hey, yo, bro.
What?
Alright, bro. Have you ever been to New York?
Whoa.
It's the question of the day, bro.
Where's New York?
I don't know.
You smart.
But if you go to New York,
So you're making fun of my story. Yo, Trey.
What's good, bro?
What's good, bro? What you doing?
I'm just chilling, I'm trying to find the girls, bro, to be honest. I'm bored as fuck. I haven't been on this shit in like a year.
So
Look, alright, so this is what happened. Look, I was supposed to go to a party, bro, and like fucking everything got canceled, so you know, now I got ready for no reason, so I'm like, fuck, might as well put something in the test, you feel me?
So you on monkey in the bathroom just chilling, smoking the vape. That's a vibe, bro. That's a vibe, bro. I'm gonna let you go find a girl in this bitch, bro. I ain't gonna waste your time. Word, D.
Word.
What you
You ain't trying to
listen?
freestyle though, nigga.
You said what?
You ain't trying to freestyle though, nigga. Hey, hold on. Flexing and finessing, bitch, I'm jigging in your session. Serving till you rob, but I can't come without my weapon. I can't come without my weapon. Hey, hold on. Like a chrome heart. Nigga talk that shit, put his body on the storm heart, nigga. Wait, hold on. Wait. Hold on, I gotta catch the beat. All that talking shit, punch you in your fucking knee.
Whoa, getting horny, gotta be my meat. Yeah, getting.
I don't speak English. I speak Spanish. So fuck off, bitch.
Yo.
Yo.
What you doing?
Are you making fun of my stuttering?
I thought you was acting.
No.
You talking good about it.
Because it comes and goes. That's not how stuttering works. You don't stutter every time you talk.
Oh, well, I thought you was.
Nah, what? It do get kind of frustrating though. What you on? No, you just on monkey chilling.
Just chilling, about to get out this shit.
Why why you about stuttering.
Hi.
What's up?
How old are you?
42. I'm sorry. I stutter a lot. I'm sorry.
42.
Yes.
I'm 40.
You're 20.
I'm not.
You are.
So why say you're 22?
Why I say you're 20?
Because I don't feel like it. And I feel like I'm my real age.
Same. I don't feel like I'm 42. I feel like I'm 22. So I still feel like I'm still 22.
I know, that's crazy, right, dog? Yeah.
Watching TikTok dance. TikTok dance.
Where's your mama, little nigga? Where's our mama at? Where's your daddy first? Where's your daddy? Y'all need y'all daddy. Y'all need y'all daddies with y'all. What?
I look like Mark Wahlberg ate Mark Wahlberg.
Yo.
What?
Speaking what? You want monkey?
But you want monkey? Fuck you, alright? I will answer you.
Anyway, what do you want?
Give me a hug, give me a hug, give me a hug, give me a hug, give me a hug.